Alaikum everyone, myself Taba Sagheer as student of Department of International Relations. Now today we introduce Department of International Relations official website. First we discuss, now we talk about why we create this website. Because to resolve student problems about admission, about program selection and other. So that's why we create this website to resolve student problems. So now we discuss our website first page, home page. It's our website first page, it's our slider, and next section is our magazine section is there. You should read our magazine section to access this button, read out button to click this button and to access. Magazine button. You should also read this magazine, and downloading facility are also available. So next we discuss our magazine section के बाद हम discuss कर रहे हैं वो है our conference sections are also available. This is our conference page to associate and to aware our student about conference related material. We show conference schedule also, we show conference booklet, and news regarding conference material are also available. This page we create to aware our students and develop relation between Poland and Pakistan. For next we discuss our blog page. Please show blog page. This page we create to appreciate our students and our faculty, teachers, articles to publish this page, and this page to thought and opinion of student to build this page. Next we discuss our library page. This page we create best e-books facility are available. You should access this page and to read your books as well. Next we discuss about us page. Our info are also available in this page. Also available faculty sub items of this page is faculty, assistant professors and lecturers professors names are also there. Next of this sub items is teacher's profile. To introduce our teacher profile page, because to aware our student who your faculty teachers, who is your HOD, and who is to assist you. Is there our faculty teachers profile? Next we discuss our objective. Programs. Our motto of department are most important part of our website because it motive of our department. Next we discuss our program facility. Which program offer Department of International Relations? BS programs, Masters of Arts, Masters of Philosophy, Doctorate of Philosophy, MPhil and MS facility are also available. Next we discuss our picture gallery to motivate a student, to aware student over previous development of department, previous achievements of department. Now we discuss our last page is our contact us page. This page designed a student to aware and to solve his problems, to get in touch with us, to fill this form and submit your problem. We are also available, and we think that we resolve your all problems. So this is our website. You should access our website in IR-FUUAST.com. So this is our website. I hope it's beneficial for you. I hope it's very motivated for you. So this is our conclude website session. This website we create a student facility. This website we create a student motivation, and student appreciation is also there our website. This website designed about your thinking, your problem solutions. So thank you for watching this website. I hope you all are access this website.
Thank you, Taba. Important thing is that this Taba developed this website herself. Thank you once again.